Hey guys, Ben here from PaxPower Performance Truck with another cool Jackal here behind me. A lot of this Jackal follows the normal recipe. You see our wide flared bodywork. You see our Missoula long travel suspension that's 3 inches wider per corner and gives us around 11-12 inches of travel. Method wheels, 37-inch BFG tires. A lot of that is what we put on all of these Jackals. Now this customer did do a few unique items. You'll see that he went with King shocks instead of the Foxes that we use on a lot of trucks lately. And then as we come back, you see he did steps and some really cool stuff in the bed. He spec'd a lot of this. He's gonna use this for overlanding and camping, but got a cool bed rack, tent rack. You've got these mully panels to mount things on. Overall, just a really cool Jackal. But that's not why I did a video of this one. There are a couple of things about this truck that makes it super unique, unlike any other Jackal, and really unlike any other truck in the world. This is another one of one. Your first clue as you come to the front is you'll notice that this is the 19 to 22 front end. This is not the new facelifted trucks we've been working with a whole lot lately. This is the older one. You'll see an 80D bumper for the older body style with some Baja Designs lights. And the reason that this one has the old front end is this is a 2020 truck. This is a truck that the customer has had for many years, and instead of buying a new truck, he wanted to upgrade the one he had. So we did the Jackal package, we did these accessories that you see here, and one more huge thing under the hood. And when I say huge, it's in terms of displacement. This truck came with a 5.3 liter V8, had a lot of miles on it, and instead of maybe supercharging that tired 5.3, we went big. We went with the 6.6 liter from the new 2500 HDs. Now you've seen our videos, we've supercharged a lot of those engines, and it's a really cool engine. A lot of the problems that people have with the 5.3s and the 6.2s, displacement on demand, auto start stop, that stuff is turned off in this engine. And really driving this around, it's freaking fast. It is a lot faster than I expected it to be. Has a ton of torque, pulls really good. Obviously we tuned this truck for more power, so it may be near around 500 horsepower, and it feels like it. It is really solid, really hauls ass, and feels really powerful. So for some of you that may have an older 5.3, a 6.2, and want to do a build, want to do a refresh, don't want to go buy a new truck, this is a really good option for you. It is a little pricey because we don't get to core the 5.3 to get the 6.6 L8T, so it is kind of expensive, but it's super cool, super unique. For those of you that have a truck, SUV at home that you love, maybe you should consider this. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, first up with PaxPower, give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.